The new harvest of Shonora Excellent Specialty Coffee is live. So at this moment you are able to order this fantastic coffee. Our roasting company has told us to be very excited about the quality. The green beans were looking extraordinarily good and the roasted coffee has this beautiful brown gold color. So we are also very excited about this coffee, and this is the life we wanted. Our partners are working hard to make sure the beans have been imported and roasted, and now everything is sorted out and the beans are on stock. I have the time to go to the sea with my son, and when we come home we're looking forward to taste this coffee ourselves also. So go to our website rich-exclusive.com or richexclusive.com. Both websites are ours, and order this coffee. We are shipping worldwide. Looking forward to see you as a customer.